Should you use Instagram hashtags in your posts and reels? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about social media marketing for business. So if you're interested in that, make sure to click the subscribe button below. So why do hashtags even help? They bring your posts, reels, or videos in front of new people that are searching for a specific keyword which is included in that hashtag. Meaning that people search for specific hashtags on the platform and they will find your content. Where should you use Instagram hashtags? I suggest using them in the caption of your post or your Instagram reels. Why? Because they get posted at the same time as your post or your reel, giving them more time for people to find them in search. How many should you use? I suggest using all 30 per post or Instagram reel. Why? The more hashtags you have, the more chances at getting found and of people actually typing in that hashtag. But now let me give you a few important tips on using hashtags on Instagram. First, use hashtags with less than 500k posts per hashtag, because in that way, if you're a small account, you have chances at growing because the competition is not that big. I suggest each hashtag that you use to have around 50k and 200 or 300k posts per hashtag, because this way people are actually looking for those hashtags and they have less competition. Another tip is only use hashtags that relate to your content, because what is the use in using popular hashtags that everybody uses, like follow for follow or things like that people are not searching for your specific content. They will not be interested if your content appears at the search, and it will not help you grow in general. For example, if you use the hashtag Christmas tree under summer post, that will not help people click on your post and go to your profile and find value in your profile, because it is not something that they've searched for, so they obviously won't click on your post. And that is a waste of hashtags and a waste of time. Another tip is don't use the same 30 hashtags for every single post. You will need to research hashtags that are optimized for your specific niche and for your specific posts and rotate them in between posts. So don't post the same Instagram hashtags for 2 or more consecutive posts. Try and leave in between at least 3 or 4 posts, especially if you post them really close together, because otherwise they can be marked as spam or post as your Instagram profile as well. But now, how do you actually search for hashtags that are optimized for your business and that your audience will search for and find your content? Well, here's my strategy. I don't suggest using hashtags tools because those give you a bunch of unrelated hashtags that your posts are not about. So I suggest doing the search yourself and search for optimized hashtags yourself. It will take longer, but then you'll be able to use those groups as much as you want. So my strategy is I think of what somebody would actually type in the search if they want to find my content. For example, social media manager, social media marketing, Pinterest marketing if the post is about Pinterest, and so on. Then Instagram will give you a bunch of alternatives for that specific hashtag. So if you type in Pinterest, they will give you marketing, Pinterest for beginners, Pinterest strategy, and all that. And I suggest writing all those that have the same number of posts per hashtag that we talked about. There are exceptions to this rule, so you can go under 50k and over 500k if you want, but not with a lot of them, and try and keep the most hashtags in that category. So they will suggest more hashtags. You can search on Google for popular hashtags for entrepreneurs, for example, and try and get some suggestions from there and use them in the same way to type in the search bar on Instagram to find more suggestions that actually have the number of posts that you want. After you search for those hashtags, create groups of 30 hashtags and use them alternatively for your posts and reels. So there you go. This is how you use hashtags on Instagram and find the best ones for your business. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such content every single week. You can also follow me on Instagram at Lydia Incoming Success for more content on growing online with social media and making more money online without investment. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.